First, I'd like to start with thanking the Indian government of all the Kapoors for conferring this award on my uncle Shashi Kapoor. It gives me great pleasure to tell you that this is the third time in my family, in our family, that the award has been given by the government. My grandfather, Prithviraj Kapoor, my father, Raj Kapoor, and now my uncle, Shashi Kapoor. Shashi uncle and myself have probably worked in about 3 to 4 films. And all those films were with my wife and myself, Neetu and me. Kabhi Kabhi, Dusra Aadmi, Duniya Meri Jeb Mein. And I've had the pleasure of being directed by Shashi Kapoor as a director. And he is the only director I have worked with who is to direct with a stick. I hope you remember that, Abhijit.
Absolutely.
He is to direct us with a stick. I'm reminded of the occasion of Shashi uncle saying these memorable words in that film, Diwar, Mere Paas Maa Hai.
Conferring this prestigious award to Shashiji, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Despite your very busy schedule, you have found time to grace this occasion. That is most generous of you. It also conveys a lot of compassion that you have for Shashiji and indeed for the entire film industry. Thank you so much, sir.
बहुत बड़ा दिन है ये जो दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड पुरस्कार श्री शशि कपूर को दिया जा रहा है। ये तीसरा अवार्ड है मेरे फैमिली में एंड आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनीबॉडी मोर डिजर्विंग देन मिस्टर शशि कपूर। उन्होंने जो भी काम किया है इस कमर्शियल सिनेमा में, पैरेलल सिनेमा में, इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा में, उनकी कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत रही है और आज बहुत फख्र का दिन है फॉर द एंटायर फैमिली।
It's very nice of the government also to agree to come home, which is definitely one of the homes of the Kapoors, and Shashiji's home, which is Prithvi. He's an incredible contributor to cinema in India on various levels, not just commercial cinema, but also an alternate cinema, a good cinema that he believed in, and also international cinema, and really a kind of a maker of modern India. A lot of the things that he did in the 60s were path-breaking, and he's just an amazing man. So it's a great honor. I'm very happy to be here.
I think it's a very historical moment, not only for people related to films, but also related to theatre, related to good cinema. Shashi ji का contribution cinema में तो है ही, मगर थिएटर के लोगों के लिए, एक्टर्स के लिए पृथ्वी थिएटर, हम जैसे कलाकार जब हमारे पास काम नहीं होता था तो दिस वाज अ वेरी मेजर हब फॉर अस। यहाँ हम प्ले करते थे, यहाँ लोग हमको ढूंढते थे और उसके बाद जिस तरह की फिल्में उन्होंने एज ए बतौर प्रोड्यूसर बनाई है वो बहुत ही सराहनीय है। और आज का ये जो दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड इनको मिला है, आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट moment for everybody.
It is a great day because Mr. Shashi Kapoor is being given the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and it has been nice. The reason being, he has been my co-artist and he has done a lot for the industry. He has worked for 50 years in the industry, so it has been a great thing that he has got the Dada Saheb Phalke Award.
शशि कपूर एक ऐसी हस्ती हैं जिन्होंने पहले ऐसे शख्स हैं जो हिंदुस्तान के सिनेमा को बाहर लेके गए। सारी कमर्शियल फिल्म में काम किया, जो हमारी ट्रेडिशनल कमर्शियल फिल्म हैं नाच गाने वाली, बट फिर भी उनको हमेशा यही लगता था कि थिएटर ना रुके तो पीछे थिएटर बनाया। उनको ये भी लगता था कि जब हम दुनिया भर में जाएं तो सर उठा के अपनी फिल्में दिखाएं। उन्होंने जो सिनेमा प्रोड्यूस किया, जिसमें अपना पैसा लगाया, वो कल के युग नहीं, आज के युग नहीं, आने वाले युग में हमेशा रहेगा। भले ही जनून हो, कल युग हो।
Many ways, we must remember that he was the first film actor who made an entry into Hollywood many years before. Today, he started this institution called Prithvi Theatre, which is the biggest gift that he has given the theatre world. Plus, Shashi Kapoor is probably the only instance of a person who earned his money from mainstream cinema and poured it all into what was called the parallel cinema, the kind of cinema that he believed in and in theatre. Shashi Kapoor, is a trailblazer and he is a very worthy recipient of the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. मुझे लगता है 36 चौरंगी लेन एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो शशि कपूर ने प्रोड्यूस की थी, जिसको आज से 100 बरस बाद भी देखा जाएगा तो वो उसे याद रखा जाएगा। जुनून उन्होंने जो फिल्म बनाई थी उसमें मेरी खुशकिस्मती थी कि मैंने उनके साथ काम किया है, लेकिन हर फिल्म जो शशि जी ने प्रोड्यूस की वो बहुत ही ख़ास फिल्म रही।